In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add old film effect to video in CapCut. If you're aiming for that nostalgic vintage vibe with grain, dust, flicker, and a warm tone, this walkthrough will guide you from a blank project to a convincing old-school look using CapCut's built-in tools. First, open CapCut. Give the app a second to load your workspace, and make sure you're in a fresh project so everything stays organized. If you see options for aspect ratio or resolution, pick the one that matches where your video will be viewed, like 16:9 for most platforms. This helps the effect sit properly on your canvas from the start. Next, add your video. You can import your clip and drop it onto the main timeline so it's the base layer you'll style. Take a moment to scrub through the footage and trim any extra bits at the beginning or end if needed. A clean timeline makes it easier to judge how the effect looks across the full clip, especially during bright or dark scenes where the vintage treatment can behave differently. Now, click on Effects. This opens the library of visual effects you can apply to your clip. If you see multiple tabs, make sure you're browsing video effects rather than color filters. The Effects panel typically lets you preview how each look will behave, which is great for choosing the right level of texture and movement. In the search bar, type Film. This will filter the results to anything related to film-style looks. Depending on your CapCut version, you might see categories like Retro or Vintage alongside specific film effects. The search makes it much faster to get to the styles that add grain, scratches, dust, or frame jitter, which are the hallmarks of an older film aesthetic. Finally, select an effect. Click on the old film style you like to apply it to your clip. You'll usually see an effect layer appear above the footage on the timeline. Drag its edges so it spans exactly the portion of your video you want. Most effects offer controls like intensity, grain size, flicker strength, or color tint. Keep the adjustments subtle so the texture supports the story without overwhelming it. Play back the clip to check for consistency. If the scene is busy or bright, you may want slightly less grain. If it's moody or dark, a touch more texture can feel authentic. If needed, stack a gentle film effect with a soft vignette from the same panel for a more cinematic finish. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, head to Effects, search for Film, and choose the look that fits your project. With a few careful tweaks, your modern footage will feel timeless.